Step 10 na ta sa atong road to VA life. So karon nga naa na kay profile, magsugod na ta og apply. But wait, dili ta magpatakag apply ha, nga murag nag-itsag sinsiyo sa piryahan. Before ka mo send og resume or application, you need to be strategic. My advice is to create a tracker, a Google Sheets para sa imuhang job applications. Importante kay ni para ma-monitor nimo kung unsay status sa mga lain-lain nga companies or clients nga imong gipang-applyan. This will also prevent you from applying to the same client or the same company twice. Basin gikulbaan na karon gipahimuon ka Google Sheets. Actually dili, akong gipasayon ang process para nimo. All you have to do is download my template. Just go to lisasabala.com/tracker. I also put the link in the comments. Ang katong link akong gihatag nimo, you will find an online form nga imong i-fill out. After you submit your form, you need to check your email inbox kay didto ma-send ang template. You will find a make a copy nga button. So you need to click that and you will be routed to Google Sheets. Make sure to save a copy of the file sa imuhang Google Drive. And i-rename po ang file ha para naa imuhang pangalan. Okay. Now that you have your tracker, mao na ni imong mahimong best friend sugod karon. Diri nimo ilista sa tracker ang mga job offers nga imuhang gusto applyan. Para inignaay mo reply, i-update po nimo ang imuhang tracker. You will then know which job applications you should pursue more seriously. So if nakasave na kag copy sa tracker, you are now ready for step 11. Go and find the link to my step 11 video in the descriptions or the comments. See you there.